Secret of waves. Secret of waves. When we do surfing, there's secret in waves. We know the waves are coming, and many surfers are sitting on lineup and waiting for good waves. When good waves come, um, every surfer tries to catch the wave. If the waves are big, and then each surfer should know the rules for surfing, the rule for the surfing, and the peak area and peak area on the surfer have a priority. So, and then when the surfers trying to on peak, and then surfers can trying to paddling and take off, and the other surfer cannot try to surfing. If they do, that is driving. That is not good manners in surfing. Because of surfing, the speed of surfing, and the first surfers can catch up other surfers, so and then they crash it in the wave. So the rule is very important. Surfing manner and rules and following about and priority in surfing, that is very important in surfing. So now I'm talking about the secret of surfing, means the secret of waves. Many surfers try to wait good waves. Yeah, we can see the good waves. We call that set waves. The set waves consist of three or four big waves in a row. Then surfers can try to catch the surf and then enjoy the surfing. But we should know about that when we try to catch up the waves. When the waves coming, really? No, waves not coming. What happened? The waves disappear. And then what's waves coming? What's disappear? And then just the power of wave only move just like a monster, wave monster, or the some helper of surfers. The power is coming, the wave is going out. And then what I want to talk about, the secret of waves, that is the most important thing is um don't try to waste your energy. Most of the surfers, and then they start earlier because they think waves coming. No, waves not coming. Wave just go away, and then new waves come and come. You don't have to paddle quickly, just smoothly paddling, and then time to wait, and then lifting your feeling and the tail just smoothly, and then you go when the waves lift your tail and you're sliding and catch the wave quickly. So the point is, and the change direction is the quickly the point, and then maximum changing or minimum changing to minimum or maximum, and in the middle of changing session, you can have enough um, time to change the direction for surfing, and then you try to practice become a quick turner and quick uh, turning to use your minority effort, then you can improve the minority effort, and then you can improve your surfing skills. This is my secret of the waves in surfing. Now I talk about the secret of waves, and then become a good surfers and knowing about the waves, watching waves, but waves not coming, and then waves will come on your tail, lift to your tail. At the moment, if you stop the moment, and then because of the water, you cannot sliding. Just before you start going and smoothly and moving, and then when lift and quickly, and then you go down and then take off and going slide. You go fake turning, fake takeoff is also very good way to momentum to the speed, and then side learning or performance will be good for that. Tell me about the secret of waves in surfing well. Less energy and smoothly catching the waves, enjoy surfing as a professional surfers. Okay.